Hey everybody, Jim King back out here in Liberty, Missouri. What we have here is a 7 King Pier project, and they're going to go on the back side of this home. If we was to remove the carpet, you would see a crack in the floor. This right here is you're going to have a frost footing right here, and then a normal 2-foot wide footing here. And so we're going to get underneath both footings and lift the floor. The floor will come back up by lifting the footing, and then we'll come in, pull the carpet back, and we'll seal the cracks. So for all your foundation repair needs, I believe King Piers, we prove this day in and day out every day. We make things level. My A-team is the very best crew at making homes level, buildings level, or structures level. They got it down to an art. We've been doing it together for so many years. This methodology is taking over the United States. I'm selling my piers now to people all over the United States. If you're a DIYer and you want to raise your house, make it level, save some money, have a real system underneath your footing, call me, 816-521-8915, or you can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.